The main index capped 2022 flat at 6,566. But full year shares plunged by 7.8% from where we started the year at the 7,100 level. We peaked at 7,500 back in Feb, but things went downhill from there with some bump ups back in August and November. The PSE is also optimistic after recording 9 initial public offerings in 2022, the highest number of maiden offerings since 2007. The bourse is bullish that a bounce back will happen this year, but is our guest as hopeful? We talked to Luis Limlingan of Regina Capital. What's your assessment here of how the index performed in 2022? Could it have been better, or could it have been worse?
I think it could have been worse, given that we fared better than the other regional markets, especially in the U.S., Europe, some parts of Asia, especially China. Towards the year end, there was the surge in COVID cases, hence the market turmoil across. As for us, it was really inflation that affected us, especially with regards to commodity prices. But despite the high inflation, the GDP growth was well above 7%, above a lot of analyst expectations.
And then, of course, there was also how bad was the exodus as well of foreign investors last year? And do you think is there much premium for them to come back in?
Well, I think they were holding, given that the earnings were much better than expected. But ultimately, we could see that they pulled out because of the weakening peso. When it traded close to the 60 level, and there was a lag with the interest rate adjustment. But afterwards, when the BSP was able to adjust according with the Fed, we could see that the peso stabilized and they returned.